Hello and welcome back to PowerPoint Pro Moves. And in today's episode, we will focus in on adjusting font alignment. By the end of this episode, you will know how to left align, middle align, and right align in a fraction of a second. I'm excited to show you, so let's get started. The first thing I'd like to do is just step out of this presentation and discuss why you would even want to care about using alignment other than for example, up here, using your typical boxes to do it. And the reason is when you get into more advanced presentations, what you're doing is you're ditching the bullet points and you're going for more of a typeset look and feel to your slides. Typesetting is a fancy way of saying you're not placing all of your text in one text box. You're dropping in new boxes, or you're using your slide master and you're setting that up like I have on mine here with a variety of boxes that have intentional typesetting. That is the key to making slides look much more visually appealing. So today's topic was how to left align, middle align, and right align using a couple of keystrokes. So if I want to left alignment, the secret is to hit Control L. And that's very handy if you're dropping in a new slide and it happens to be, let's say, a base text box that's middle aligned, or you can drop in some text, then hit Control L and it's immediately over to the left. Middle align is the shortcut Control E. That will center your content. So on any text box, you can just hit Control E and middle align or center align that content. Control R gets you to the right align right there. So those are the mechanics of it. It's a quick shortcut. So that's your tip for the day. We hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for sticking around. If you liked the video, we'd love it if you'd subscribe, if you'd give it a thumbs up, and if you tell a friend. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more PowerPoint Pro Moves.